Welcome to the beautiful Hoquiam River RV Park on the Olympic Peninsula in Washington State. This RV park is about a mile north of the town, just off Highway 101, set alongside the Hoquiam River. The park is open all year long and has short-term and long-term stays available. Site-specific reservations are available online at hoquiamriverrvpark.com. The park offers over 60 full hookup sites, as well as a small tent area. There is a clubhouse, restroom facilities with showers, laundry facilities, and a dump station. And the people that work and host here were absolutely fabulous. A nice friendly check-in, an escort to our site, and flowers on our picnic table. Lots of small touches that make this park special. And in the office, often freshly baked cookies. And trails. The forested area next door is part of their property. The riverfront, old rails, and nice trails were all very cool to explore. In the summer of 2025, we averaged just over $50 a night. I suggest checking the website for current pricing. The pros, a beautiful spot. The hiking trails, the view of the river, laundry facilities, extremely nice staff, and constant maintenance being done. The park was very well kept. And oh hey, those cookies. The cons, well, highway noise during the day. This ended up being a great spot to get us through a weekend, and actually a place we would return to. And here's our playlist for more of our Washington State favorites. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you're here. As always, thanks for watching.